I just wanted to make a quick video on this. This is one of the graphics that I have made. I've probably shared this 5 times over the last 5 years, and it gets the same reaction almost every single time. As you can see, it's got 858 likes and 235 shares. Now, I want to get this to 1,000 likes just because I can. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to comments, right? And we want to read all comments. I do this with every post that's viral, by the way. And we will go in and like each thing, even though it was 4 days ago. And I will leave a comment on each one. I might skip some, but we'll give a like to our own comments. This way it sends a notification to the people who liked this originally. They'll get a notification in their thing. See, I already commented on that one a couple days ago. Alright, so that's just for starters. That's round one. Round two is we are going to go onto the likes, and normally the ones that I love, and I will invite these people to like the page. This will take me 5 minutes. I won't do them all. I'm just going to do some. And you'll see as I'm doing this, there'll probably be a notification pop up on the right hand side of the screen where the notifications are, that somebody will have liked the page. This normally takes about, 1 minute. I mean, doing 1 minute to make your post go a little bit more viral can't hurt. So a lot of stuff, everybody complains about, oh, I need to go viral, I need to go viral. But once your stuff goes a little viral, it's up to you to spread it, to make it go even more. Facebook's probably going to give me a warning here that I'm doing this too fast. So you got the gist of it. I go into this here because it is the ones that most love the comment. I will maybe in a couple days go back and go into all of these and invite them to like the page also. Let's see, since there's only 4 ha-has here, we will go and invite those 2 people. So that's what we do with the likes. So let's see, did anybody like the page because of that? Nope, we're up to 5. Whatever. So now we go to the shares. Now I already did some of these, so you will see some. Here's the post I just made about the post going viral, and that's got 27 shares, 27 likes and some shares, no public ones. So here I posted this to a forum. We can ignore that. I did that through Instagram. So here we will go in and like, and I will write thanks for sharing with an exclamation point. Now we're going to comment on a bunch of these things, but it's not, we're going to give it a love, and we're going to comment, and we're going to go thanks for sharing again. Normally I have a keyboard shortcut set up for this that will just say thanks for sharing. I can't remember what it is right now. See, I put the exclamation point, and now I will also put a smiley face, because when you end stuff with a smiley face, Facebook shows it to people. Facebook wants people to be happy. And you see, I already did this one with an exclamation point. Sometimes I'll leave a comment, but okay, so here her page is private, so I can't leave a comment. She's got comments turned off, but you can see I went through and I did a whole bunch of likes. Once again, thanks for sharing, much appreciated. You can see I changed it up a little bit. This one has an exclamation point at the end. You don't want Facebook to think that you're posting the same thing over and over again. So since we just did all of these comments, let's go to an older one. You'll see what I'm talking about. I did a regular like on this one. See, I always different things. Like I could type in thanks for sharing and copy and paste this. Actually, you know what? That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the regular one and go copy. This way I can just go through and comment on that. And we'll just add the smiley face to it. Copy and paste again. This one we won't add the smiley face, so it's different. Give it a love. And let's add an exclamation point and a smiley face. Just a little bit to make it different, you know? And what happens is these people, say these people don't have a lot of followers, especially a page, they will be like, oh my god, Southwest Barrels shared my page, and then they'll end up sharing it again. See, I did a couple of these already. I think I didn't click on comments there. There we go. See, by me putting a smiley face there, it tells Facebook what the sentiment is of the comment, and it wants to do happy all the time. That's not a secret I normally let out, but it is what it is. So what we're doing is we're helping our posts go viral. Will I click on all 255 of these shares? Probably not right now. Maybe I'll do another, I'll set an alarm to do it again in an hour or so. You know? So that's it. So that's how you make your post go viral. You don't have to count on luck. It's a little sentiment, a comment, and when you comment, these people here will get a notification on this person's post too. So you're actually going into their notification feed without even trying. So there you go. So like I said, this post has 858 likes. This will be 1,000 by the end of the day probably, just from doing these little things. So there you go. See, here's somebody reacting to thanks for sharing, once again with a heart. So that means Facebook will show that to more people. Just little stuff like that. Hope you enjoyed this.